Hi everyone, welcome to today's video tutorial. In this video, I'll be showing you simple steps on how to hide friend list on your Facebook. Do well to watch the video to the end. So let's get started. The first step is to open your Facebook app. Make sure your account is being logged in on the app. Then you tap on the three horizontal lines. That is the menu icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. You scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Under the Settings and Privacy, you select the Privacy shortcuts. In the Privacy shortcuts, you scroll down and tap on See More Privacy Settings. As you can see, it's been loaded. Then you scroll down and tap on How People Find and Contact You, which is in the audience and visitability settings, how people find and contact you. Then you tap on Who Can See Your Friend List. As you can see, mine is being set in Only Me. I can put it in Public, and I can also set it to Only Me. So you select the options that you want. You select the Only Me option to hide your friend list from everyone. This will ensure that only you can see your friend list. Ensure the setting has been saved. By following this simple step, you can make your friend list private. However, note that Facebook does not provide an option to hide mutual friends specifically, but by setting your friend list to Only Me, you minimize the visibility of your friend list and reduce the chances of others seeing your mutual friends. Thanks for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.